On record how this monster caught even safety-conscious scientists off guard.
Keep going if you can. Everybody duck down. Everybody duck down.
And the increasing dangers of storm chasing in the Sooner State.
Due to the large number of chasers that are out there now, it makes the roads pretty crowded and can be quite dangerous.
A high wind warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 28 degrees with snow and windy conditions. Today, windy, snow showers in the morning. High 27. Chance of snow 40%. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Tonight, cloudy. A few flurries or snow showers possible. Low 16. Here's our 7-day outlook.